Hello and welcome. Today I've come out to, I'm heading towards Fobney Island Nature Reserve. I'm going to try out my camera. It's an old camera, it's more than 13 years old. I'm going to try it out to see if it works. It's yeah, it says zoom lens 30 times so and so, but it actually zooms to 130 times. And I'm going to try that out down here. Hopefully I might see some birds to photograph. Yeah, I'm going to try it out at Fobney Island Nature Reserve, and hopefully there may be one or two birds that I can photograph. This is the River Kennet. The water levels look quite high. Yeah, it's a cold morning. It's February. It's 3 degrees centigrade, and there's a cold wind. Quite a bit of chill factor in the wind. Some mallard ducks. I've also got my tripod, which is to try out with my camera. Last time I was here, I walked along beside those railings on the other side. I walked along beside those railings last time I was here. There's a platform there, but now it's completely submerged. I work about 2 minutes walk from here. About 2 minutes walk from my works. Yeah, it's Fobney Lock. And the sun's coming out. Right. Fobney Island's Wetland Nature Reserve, so my plan was to try and get some pictures with my camera. The plan was to try and get some pictures with my camera over this side. Yeah, I can see the water levels are quite high, because all the trees there are submerged underwater. There's a coot out there in the middle feeding. Yeah, last time I was here, I walked out on that platform, looked around, totally submerged this time. Oh yeah, I got me tripod. Nice reed bed. Oh, there's more water up this side. I'll get another chance to get a better picture. So far all I've seen is coots and mallard ducks. Interestingly, I just seen 3 parakeets fly into the trees over there. I didn't realise we had parakeets in Reading yet. Yeah, to tell you the truth, I'm not getting much luck with my photography this morning. Yeah, I can hear them, but they're hiding away. Yeah, hiding in the reed beds, most of the ducks. Yeah, it's a nice little nature reserve, nice little wetland, nice reed beds. Oh, so I haven't seen any birds. I've seen a few ducks and coot stuff. I haven't really seen any interesting birds to photograph, so I'll try and take a picture of these Canada geese with my camera just to show where the zoom on my lens. Yeah, I'm trying to zoom in on that was it, zoom in on my camera. Using 2 cameras at once is not easy.